Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is another addition to all the egg recipes that I have made so far. Today I'm going to show you how to make Palak Egg Curry. So why wait, let's get started and check out the ingredients. I have one bunch of fresh palak, been washed. First step is to blanch the palak. Once the water comes to a boil, turn off the stove, drop the palak into the hot water, close it and leave it for about 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now. I'm going to strain the palak leaves and keep it aside. Cool the leaves completely and grind it in a mixer grinder to a nice fine puree. Take a saucepan, add a little oil. First we're going to roast the eggs. To this add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Gently start placing the egg halves into the saucepan. Once you've fried the eggs on both sides, turn off the stove, remove the egg pieces and keep them aside. To the same saucepan, add 1 tablespoon oil. To this I'm going to add whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, whole peppercorns and bay leaf. Next add 2 medium-sized onions chopped, 3 green chilies sliced. Next add finely chopped garlic, a teaspoon of finely grated ginger. The onions are nice and brown. Next I'm going to add 2 tomatoes chopped, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Next put 1/2 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Coriander powder. Mix everything well. To this I'm going to add the pureed palak. I'm going to pour 1/2 cup of water. Close and cook for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, all the raw smell is gone. Now you can add the fried eggs to the palak gravy. Reduce the flame to a low and close it for another 5 minutes. Palak egg curry is ready. Turn off the stove. You can enjoy this palak egg curry either with some roti, chapati or with rice. So do try and enjoy this recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.